Good morning, children. Children, in today's class, we'll start exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we will do the estimation of the product of two numbers. So here, two numbers are given, 730 multiplied with 998. So children, 730 will be converted into the nearest hundreds. Why? Because it is a three-digit number and we can convert it into the nearest hundreds. So 730 will be converted into 700 because 700 is nearer to 730. It can also be converted but into 800, but it is far away from 730. So that's why we are converted into 700. Now 998. This is nearer to 1000 because there is a difference of only 2 between 998 and 1000. So it will be converted into 1000. Now we can do the multiplication of two numbers like this. 700 multiplied by 1000. So it will be equals to, children, 700 and 3 zeros are there. So 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. So the answer will be 7 lakhs. Now second part of this question is 796 multiplied by 314. So the solution will be, children, first convert it into the nearest 100. Why we are doing so? Because by putting zeros, the calculation become easier, children. If zeros are there, so it is easy for us to do the multiplication of any number. Now 796 will be converted into what? 796 will convert it into nearest hundreds by 800 because 796 is nearer to 800. Okay. So now 314, it is nearer to which hundreds? It is nearer to 300s, no? Okay. Now it is easy for us to multiply 800 and 300. 800 multiplied with 300. So it will be equals to 8 3s are 24. Now you can put 4 zeros. So it is very easy for us, children, to multiply numbers with 0. Okay. In this way, 2,40,000. So this will be your answer, children. So in this way, you can convert any number to nearest hundreds or nearest thousand according to your requirement. Understood, children? Yes. So you can make another example, any 10 examples by yourself. This will be your homework, children. If negative sign is there, so you have to subtract it. And if positive sign is there, so you need to add it. Okay. So there was addition sign, children. So you can add the numbers. And if there is negative sign, so you can find out the estimated difference. So this is known as estimated sum of two numbers, and this is known as estimated difference of two numbers. So in this way, if it is positive sign is there, so you have to add. If minus sign is there, so there you have to subtract. And if there is multiplication, children, so you can multiply it also. So the first thing is that, first step is that to convert into nearest tens, 100 or 1000, and whatever operation is given, either it is plus, minus, into, and divide, according to that you can do the solution.